Doing the first topic from grade 12 calculus, which is radical expression. How to simplify a radical expression whose denominator is a combination of a whole number and a radical. Let's say first question, 3 over 4 root 5. We have studied that root 5 is nothing but similar to 5 to the power of half. So if we multiply 2 root 5, which is 5 to the power of half, multiply by 5 to the power of half, we get 5 half plus half as 1. So the number would be 5 itself. Now let's apply this 5 that we have got by multiplying 2 roots of 5 in the question. 3 over 4, and we multiply numerator and denominator by root 5. If we want to remove root from the denominator, we have to multiply and divide by the same root. So the numerator will become 3 root 5 and the denominator now will become 4 times only 5. Because when we multiply 2 roots, we get 5. So 5 to the power of 1, any number to the power of 1 is the same number. So our simplified answer will be 3 root 5 over 20. That's the final answer. If you want to simplify it further, find the value of root 5 using calculator and you can apply. Now let's do another question to see whether we have understood how to rationalize the denominator. This time we're going to take a little difficult question. Let's simplify the question which has 2 roots which are different. 2 divided by root 6 plus root 3. Now you must have heard about the algebraic formulas, which are the major 3 formulas: a square minus b square, a plus b whole square, and a minus b whole square. In this we're going to apply the formula which is a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. If you look at the denominator, our root 6 looks like a, root 3 looks like b, and now we have to apply the formula. To have this formula applied to this question, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by a minus b. We have a plus b form, we need a minus b. So our a is root 6 and our b is root 3. So now what is a minus b? Let's do it in the corner once. So root 6 plus root 3 is a plus b, and root 6 minus root 3 is our a minus b. Now let's apply in the question. So when we do this, our answer will be in the simplified form a square minus b square. So let's now put the values in the question. And remember what we do when we multiply denominator by something, we have to multiply the same with the numerator as well. We cannot do with either of the one. We have to do it with both. So now our denominator is of the form of the formula that we are talking about, a square minus b square. Our numerator still remains the same, root 6 minus root 3. But our denominator is now of the form a square minus b square. So again our a is root 6, so root 6 square minus root 3 square. As you can see in the corner, a is root 6 and b is root 3. So now when we square it, we know when we square a root, it again means the same. You multiply same root with once again and you get the whole number. So numerator, when we open the bracket, is 2 root 6 minus 2 root 3, and denominator root 6 into root 6 is 6, root 3 into 3 is 3. So denominator becomes 6 minus 3. So if I want to take 2 common, it's root 6 minus 3. This is additional step, and then the denominator will be 3. So this is the most simplified form. If you want to simplify it further, put the value of root 6 and root 3, subtract it, and you get the whole answer. in the form of decimals. Completing calculus in series of my videos, so stay tuned for the next video and completing section 1.2 next time.